Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Several businesses in central and western Jamaica which depend on Digicel services were derailed today. Some businesses took to social media demanding action. That's when Digicel posted this advisory indicating that a critical piece of equipment had been damaged, wiping out essential voice and data services from Clarendon to as far as Negril. Digicel has since indicated that its engineers were working to restore full connection, and moments ago, Public Relations and Communications Manager at Digicel, Elon Parkinson, told the Business Day that there has been partial restoration, mainly in western parishes. He says customers in central Jamaica are still experiencing challenges, but he notes that engineers have stepped up efforts to restore services, mainly in Clarendon and Manchester. Trans-Jamaican Highway Company will be going to the market with an initial public offering of shares soon. The company is expected to make a public announcement on the offer later this week. Trans-Jamaican Highway holds a 35-year concession for the Highway 2000 East-West Toll Corridor. Trans-Jamaican's latest annual returns for 2018 show the government has more than 50% of the issued shares of the company. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.15. The Canadian dollar is going for $102.30. The pound is costing $166.13, while the euro sells for $149.27. And Barita's capital base has been increased by over 50% or $5 billion. This follows the company's successful and oversubscribed rights issue. Barita says it's now equipped to realize the benefits of immediate, near and longer term opportunities. The capital base has also increased the strength of Barita's balance sheet and the capacity of the company. And now to the stock market. The JC index gained 4,717 points today and the junior market index advanced by 54 points. The stocks posting gains included Maybury Jamaican Equities, Everything Fresh, The Lab, QWI Investments and Honeybun. On the losing side were 138 Student Living, AMG Packaging and Paper, JMMB 7.5%, Proven Investments and Supreme Ventures. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.